Hey, I'm Rachel Kugel, founder and owner of the Kugel Law Firm, a New Jersey law firm committed to defending DWIs throughout the state. Our motto here is that we don't judge you, we don't lecture you, we defend you. And to that end, I'm going to be answering some of your frequently asked questions here today. So let's get started. So will you have to install an ignition interlock device if you are convicted of a New Jersey DWI? Under the new DWI law that went into effect in December of 2019, an ignition interlock device is now mandated in pretty much every DWI sentence, whether first, second, or third offense. The length of time that you need to have it can vary, and whether one can drive once installed, it's also a variable, which will depend on the person's record, whether this is a first, second, or third offense, as well as their blood alcohol content, whether it is below 0.15 or above 0.15, whether there's a refusal, for example, in the case. So there are factors that can affect whether one can drive with it and for how long one will have to have it installed. There's also a provision for those individuals who do not own a motor vehicle. Those people can take a suspension rather than an ignition interlock requirement in most circumstances. So the law is definitely better than it was before 2019 for New Jersey drivers, but it's still really complicated. And understanding your exposure based on so many factors, level of offense, level of alcohol in the blood, all of those things, whether it's a drug case, all of these things can impact it. And for those reasons, you should definitely speak to a New Jersey DWI lawyer as soon as possible.